Okay. Today is the 14th, which is Saturday, and I'm going to be talking about yesterday's trades. Couldn't make a video yesterday, but I'm going to do it today. So the market has bounced back very well since Wednesday the 11th. Um, yeah. So then I'm going to talk about the trades I took yesterday. I took four trades yesterday. Two of them have worked out well. One of them I didn't rebuy, and it looks like it's breaking out, and then the other one just stopped me out and kind of went back up and recovered, but I'll show you them. And then I won't show you the regular charts I used to, where they show you where I got in, where I got out, but I think I can do it the trader view. So coming into the day, I was thinking the market's very strong, and I'm gonna look out for these setups that I have on my watch list, and I'm gonna hopefully buy the breakouts for them. So the ones on my watch list that I was looking at yesterday were ASTS, HRO, Clove. Clove wasn't really a breakout to me. I think the setup was down here, but even that I didn't really like it under the moving averages. Hopefully, it can base here and break out again, or just break out. SLC app. I've just been watching this one. Just just reminiscing on the opportunity I missed, but oh well. Lumen, CRDO, WGS, TSLT. No, that's not my watch list. This one, just having it on watch. Kava, which kind of retracted everything that I just gave out on the Thursday. Neon and Cat X. So, and I'm sorry, Nova. I took it off my scan because I got pretty pissed. Um, add it to my cool. And Nova. So these are the ones I was watching. Main ones were ASTS, HRO, Nova, SLC, and Neon was the other day before. And then CatX. These were the ones. So I took four trades. I ended up taking ASTS. I got ASTS in at around. Let me see. Let me see if I can show you on my on TraderView. So here. So ASTS, I kind of messed around on it a little bit. I kind of messed up the trade. So let me show you what happened. So what I did was I bought it here. I bought it kind of late. I should have bought it right around here. What is this, the 1 minute or let's see. It's the 1 minute. I was looking at on the 5 data range. Oh, anyways, I don't know how to use this. Oh, here we go. 5 minutes. So I bought it at the high of the 5 minute candle, and then I got a really small size, and then I was really nervous. I don't know why I was so nervous in this trade. I bought more, sold some, and then I sized in way too much on this one, and I got a little nervous because I was risking. I got in at around 28.1, and then I was risking a low of day, which was like 26. So, and I was in pretty big. Now I wasn't in pretty big size, but I was in a lot where my risk was way too much than I should have. So I reduced some size, and this is where I reduced it, of course, and then it took off. But it's okay. I felt more comfortable with the trade. I missed out on some gains, but it's about lasting. So this could have gone all the way back and stopped me out for a pretty big loss. And if I really wanted to size up, I should have gotten in a little earlier, maybe at the right around this. But anyways, I got in here, reduced some size, and then it took off. Of course, what else would I do? But that was one. That was one trade. I'm still in this trade here. I'm still in that one first swing, and then SOC. So this one I'm still in as well. This one I also kind of got a little late. Not really. Um, I bought it at like 21.6 around this area, risking 21.16. So I had to, and I also didn't want to size up on this one due to look how illiquid it is. I was also like kind of nervous on this one. I was like, well, it's really illiquid. Let me get smaller size, like half size, just to get in some. Because I really liked the way it looked. It reminded me of Kava. Let me show you Kava real quick. So Kava, and then SLC. So very similar to off this 10-day moving average bounce. As you can see here, kind of similar setup, so I was looking for it to do that, which it did, and I mean, I like it so far. So hopefully this can continue. But it's very liquid, and I don't really like it that much. That's why I went half size, and I wasn't risking that much because I was really iffy about it. So this is the second one. These two I'm still in. You can see I bought it here, 21.6, and then now it's at, yeah, I think it's at 22.38. It closed at or whatever. It's 22.54. I don't know. But yeah, so this is that's what it's at now. Oh, that was the price I saw it at. Yeah, I think it's at 22.54. I don't know. Um, it's kind of soy liquid. It's hard to tell. And then cores. This one kind of pissed me off. Because I bought it perfectly on the breakout of the. Oh, why did I scroll down? I bought it. I think I bought it perfectly. Right, I was just breaking out. It was from the open. It was around 20 cents higher than what it was, and I thought it was beautiful. And I put the low. I actually put the low lower than the low of the day, which because I felt like a lot of people were looking at this, and then they were gonna keep it here, and then it would do a lot of stop losses, and it would trigger them to go down, and then I'd be a little safe. But I guess it didn't. I guess there's a bunch of stop losses here, or a bunch of people got out at the same time, and it triggered my stop, and then it took off. I didn't rebuy in. Um, because here, if you look at it, let's look at it on the 5 minute. So on this, it kind of looks like a flag setup here. So here there was higher highs. I'm sorry, it was a lower high and then higher lows. So it looked like the price action was compressing a little bit, and then the volume came in. You can see here. But at this point, I was like, well, I don't really trust it. Even though I know I should have probably got back in, but I didn't. So, and it looks good on the breakout too. If you look up cores, looks pretty nice too. It looks perfect. Looks beautiful. Volume was there too, higher than average volume. Yeah, even on the weekly, it probably looks good. Yeah. Well, it looks great though. Looks fantastic. So I really liked it. I liked the way it looked. Didn't give it a second chance, even though I probably should have. But oh well. Hopefully there's more to come. And then the last one was Nova, which let me see. Yeah. So Nova had a good. I think it had a good. I liked the setup on this day here, which was Thursday, and this was Friday's move. So I think it's still intact. Right, just lower than average volume. Yeah, I think it still looks good. I think there's still a chance of this breaking out on Monday. Although in these other solar stocks that I've been watching or that I have on my watch list here, not many of them are setting up as nice as Nova, and I don't know if I like that because I want the whole sector to be kind of moving. I guess run, 10, C10, even the ETF is not really doing that well. What about FSLR? See, I mean, don't really know. Those sectors not moving. This one's like, it looks the best so far. This one looks very similar to, which one was it? Was it Run? Yeah. The only fact that they have similar is coming off of a bounce, coming off of a base. But the Nova looks the strongest one. Maybe it's the leader. Maybe it's the new leader of the solars, and then they'll all come and follow after. But I think the setup is still intact. Maybe a couple days tighter, couple tighter days, because this one had a move of 7% intraday from the low of the day to the high of the day, around 7%. But on the day before, it looked great. It looked like a good setup. I really liked the way it looked. It looked great. So I did eventually buy this one and didn't rebuy it back because I don't think it ever broke highs again. Nova, here we go. Took a bigger loss on it. I was willing to risk more because I like the setup more. Even though the loss is kind of smaller than what I originally had in plan. But look at this one. I mean, almost top ticked it, which is something I always like to do, which is not that well, not that great. But so I bought it here because I was also kind of late. I wasn't actually late. It just went straight up in the morning. Look at the volume on this candle here. It was, how much was the volume? Where is the volume at? I don't know what the volume is. Look at these stats. Straight down. Just never had a chance. Never was in the green. But I'm trying to see the volume. I don't know. Anyways, on that first minute candle, the volume was pretty high, but so I bought it into the top. I thought I was gonna keep on breaking out more, and then it just went all the way down to 10.6, almost a whole dollar lower, or about 90 cents, and then just worked its all the way back up. So good sign, shows some strength, but it's kind of a I guess that maybe that ADR is pretty high. That's why it whips around so much. But I like some tightness, and then hopefully it breaks out again on Monday. But yeah, so I guess it kind of broke out, but I think it's still intact. I'll be willing to buy it again on Monday. So hopefully it can break out again. But yeah, those were the 4 trades I had on Friday, yesterday. And this is the market so far. Let's see. Market. There's the overall market. This is the QQQ. The idea though. Russell looks kind of nice. Maybe these small caps or mid caps, small caps I think. Nasdaq finally got over the moving averages, which is nice. The Qs, so did they. New York did strong as well. TNA, yeah, small caps, doing good. It's the 3 times leverage, but. Yeah, it's looking really nice. So hopefully we get some more breakouts. Hopefully we get some more setups. I keep looking for some till. This one's been scary. I've been watching it, but not been trading it. But it's just been like straight up. Maybe big short Monday or no idea. I mean, it trades like really low. Kind of not really low, but like it's very illiquid. It's kind of weird the way it trades. It's not very liquid, but we'll see if it can gap up Monday and then get in a short. Well, that's a very scary short for me. I'd probably do minimal size because the spread on this thing is also pretty large. If I remember correctly, it'd be like 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. I like just moving all around. That's what I mean by liquid. TNON or TNON PLC. I probably wouldn't. I don't even know what this is. NNE. Hopefully this can base here and then we'll get another breakout, kind of like we did here. MRX. Redfin. I don't really think there was a setup here at all. Peloton. I guess, yeah. Not bad. I'm looking for setups though. Looking for setups. Nova. Nova might be one of the best setups out right now. A lot of these are just bouncing. Kind of like the market. Wow, look at gold. Clove. Same thing. If this can base here, the 10-day can catch up and it'll start basing. That'll be another great breakout. But these are all just hopes. This one, kind of like a high tide flag here. I wouldn't have traded it though. Maybe here. So yeah. What else? This was a great setup too. A lot of these have these similar downtrending bounces, breakouts, but I don't really know about those. I don't really like those, in my opinion. This one here, I think on the hourly it looks great, but daily, SOC, another one that I bought. I was looking at this one too. I guess I just missed it, but I don't really know if that's considered a. Yeah, I guess so. Over the 200-day moving average too. Yeah. Let's see what else. ASTS. Lunar. This one's super choppy, in my opinion. Seems like it's a hard trader. Give you a heart attack too. PHAT. Fat. I don't know about this one. This one can base. If this one can base and then That'd be nice, but this one looks like very choppy too. Not really that fun. Doesn't really look fun to trade. Don't even know what's behind them, like in terms of earnings or anything. But yeah, so that's about it. And then yeah, I'll see you guys Monday.